GRI yesterday, today and tomorrow. Department of Education workshop. At the valedictory function of the workshop organized by the Department of Education of the Gandhigram Rural Institute, deemed to be university, the Honorable Vice-Chancellor, Dr. N. Panchnatham, participated and distributed certificates to the participants. MoU signing. A new Memorandum of Understanding, MoU, was signed between the Gandhigram Rural Institute Center for Entrepreneurship Development, CED, and the Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India. Bhartiyar birthday and Bhartiya Bhasha Divas. The School of Tamil and Indian Languages at GRI celebrated Bharatiyar's birthday and Bhartiya Bhasha Divas, Indian Languages Day. Honorable Vice-Chancellor Dr. N. Panchnatham presided over the event. The special guest, Kalai Mamni Gyan Sambandhan, former professor, Department of Tamil, Thiagarajar College, Madurai, delivered a special address. The arrangements were made by the head of the Department of Tamil, Senior Professor Dr. Anand Kumar. National Energy Conservation Day. The Center for Rural Energy at GRI celebrated National Energy Conservation Day 2025. Honorable Vice-Chancellor Dr. N. Panchnatham inaugurated the webinar held to mark the occasion. Shri M. Joel Franklin Asaria, Director of Energy NPC India, delivered a special lecture. The event was organized by the Director of the Center for Rural Energy, Professor Dr. Kirubakaran. Panchayat Secretary Training. A skill development training camp for Panchayat Secretaries of the Madurai district was held at the GRI campus. Honorable Vice-Chancellor Dr. N. Panchnatham inaugurated the training and delivered the address. International Conference on Applied Science. The Department of Physics at GRI, in association with the Indian Society for Non-Destructive Testing, ISNT, organized the 8th International Conference on the theme, Recent Trends in Applied Science and Technology, on 11th December and 12th. Vice-Chancellor Dr. N. Panchnatham inaugurated the event. Algappa University Vice-Chancellor Professor Ravi, pioneering crystal research scientist Professor Ramsamy, and members of ISNT participated. The conference was coordinated by Senior Professor of Physics, Dr. Ariponnammal. UGC MMTTC Refresher Course Valedictory. At the valedictory function of the Refresher Course in Physical Sciences organized by the UGC Malviya Mission Teacher Training Center, MMTTC, at GRI, Dr. E. Ramganesh, Dean, Faculty of Arts, Bharatidasan University, delivered the valedictory address. The arrangements were made by Dr. Sridevi, Head, Depth of Education, and the course coordinator, Associate Professor Dr. P. Nithyananthi. Football tournament. The Department of Yoga and Physical Education at GRI conducted a state-level intercollegiate football tournament. Numerous college athletes participated. The event was organized by Department Head Professor Dr. Sugumar. Tamil Curriculum, Kashi Tamil Sangamam 4.0, 30 students from Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, stayed at the Gandhigram Rural Institute from 21st December to 30th December to learn Tamil. This 10-day workshop titled Tamil Curriculum was held as a continuation of Kashi Tamil Sangamam 4.0. It was jointly organized by the Ministry of Education, IIT Madras, and the Central Institute of Classical Tamil, CICT. The training was inaugurated by Vice-Chancellor Dr. N. Panchnatham and Registrar M. Sundarmari. It was coordinated by Senior Professor of Tamil, O. Muthia, and Public Relations Officer, Professor Keswa Rajrajan. Kashi Tamil Sangamam Closing Ceremony. NSS volunteers from GRI participated in the closing ceremony of Kashi Tamil Sangamam 4.0 held in Rameswaram on December 30th. This was organized by the Ministry of Education, IIT Madras, and CICT. They were led by NSS Coordinator Professor Dr. David Jairaj and Program Officers Dr. Bhaktavatsala Perumal and Dr. Kalimuthu. Following this, the Honorable Vice-Chancellor met with the Honorable Union Minister of Education, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, who participated in the event, and discussed the university's activities. QET, UG, 2026 announcement. The National Testing Agency, NTA, has opened online registration for the Common University Entrance Test, QET-UG, 2026 for students wishing to join 4-year undergraduate degree programs. Website to apply, https://qed.nata.nic.in. Last day to apply, 30th January 2026. Students wishing to join undergraduate programs at GRI can find more information at https://rulaniv.ac.in. News Coordination Senior Professor O. Muthaiya, Director of University Concept Center. Newsreader Satish Kumar, Department of Physics. Sound Mixer Venkatesh, Department of Lifelong Learning. English version of GRI News video created through AI-generated voice and translation by the Center for Artificial Intelligence and Data Science GRI. Do you want your department's activities to be included in this? Kindly contact our Center for Public Image Building. Upload the events on WhatsApp. Thank you.